Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Pytorch Mobile allows you to run Pytorch models on mobile devices, including Android. This is particularly useful for deploying machine learning models in applications where you want to leverage on-device processing for performance and privacy reasons. Tutorial: Using Pytorch Mobile on Android. Prerequisites: 1. Android Studio. Make sure you have Android Studio installed on your machine. 2. Python. You should have Python installed for model training and exporting. 3. Pytorch. Ensure you have Pytorch installed in your Python environment. Step 1. Train and export a model. First, we need to train a Pytorch model and then export it to a format that can be used on mobile devices. Below is an example of a simple neural network for image classification. Step 2. Set up the Android project. 1. Create a new Android project in Android Studio. 2. Add Pytorch Android dependencies to your build.gradle. Step 3. Add the model to your Android project. 1. Place the exported simple_nn.pt file in the assets directory of your Android project. Step 4. Load the model in your Android code. In your main activity, or any other activity, you can load and run the model as follows. Step 5. Run your application. 1. Connect your Android device or start an Android emulator. 2. Run your application from Android Studio. Conclusion: you have successfully trained a simple neural network in Pytorch, exported it to Torch script, and loaded it in an Android application for inference. This process allows you to utilize powerful machine learning models on mobile devices, enabling rich AI features in your applications. Additional tips: optimize your model. Before deploying, consider using techniques like quantization to reduce the model size and improve inference speed. Explore Pytorch mobile features. Check the official Pytorch mobile documentation, https://pytorch.org/mobile/home, for more advanced features and optimizations. This tutorial should provide a good starting point for using Pytorch Mobile on Android. Happy coding!